Winter pictures.
Yeah, for Paul.
That's my daughter said they got over a
Show
foot
Paul.
last night. Cool.
Yeah.
Make sure you take a picture of that thing you're standing in front of all the snowbanks that's foot and a half.
There's a snowbank over here.
Oh, the big one right behind the
Over here.
tractor.
Come over here by the next the car and then take that picture.
I'll get my face out of it.
Go back farther. Go back here. Go back here.
Yeah, I know how tall it is.
Well, I want him to... Ruthie jumped right He
You
jumped
silly
up.
boy. Yeah. I mean, it's just a snowing. No. Here, you take it. I'm still recording.
Are you going to shovel?
A little bit, maybe.
It's right here. You take it. I don't want to take it.
I want you to videotape me.
Oh, of you. All right.
Oops. It's recording, just aim. You want that? All right, go there. You go there.
Mr. White Nose. I should have called him White Nose instead of Rufus. Because it's always white when as soon as he goes outside and comes back in the house. It's crazy here. Crazy daisy. Hey, pretty boy. Hey, pretty boy. Look. Wolfie, look up here. You're silly. You're silly. Oh, you have the laser?
No, I don't.
Oh.
He thinks when you're aiming.
Yeah.
Like, you have the
There
laser.
should be a laser. What a pretty boy. It's beautiful. Crazy, crazy.
I want you to take a picture. Alright, hit the... Here, let me fix it.